Yo, hear me now? Big people thing. Yo, you see today me I go lick out against the Jamaican restaurant them. The try a thing one them. You understand? First of all, we want to know how now start about jerk chicken. And we never see a jerk pan in our place. Round at the back. Nowhere a jerk, no smoke, nothing. So how no talk about jerk chicken and we don't see no smoke and something. The time now for no change the name to baked jerk chicken. And here's the thing now. When the food so expensive and the customer service sucks. Not good. We don't have the worst customer service from all nations. I hear me now. This thing I bug me from where there. Top of the top DJ at Jamaica. In dress nice. And the ladies themselves smell good and all that. But when in talk, his mouth look like parch can. And his mouth look like when you're parch can. Look like a yam hill. Chaka chaka. Big man, fix up your thing. Zaga Zao. And big up 3Ds and Vs. Because that is where I eat my daily meals. Yo, I'm out. And that was straight from the heart. Alright, I'm out.